Hey guys, TonyskalYT here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the updated versions of TobyskillTTV since it recently got deleted again and Discord does not like us anymore. And they never liked me. It's been years, they hate me. Okay, but what we're going to do is go and we're going to add a server, click on join a server, and we're going to have this link. It's going to be in the description of this video, and if this link is invalid, try discord.gg/tobyskill because that's usually what it is, but our server just got terminated, so I'm going to be waiting for more boosts while I set up the server. But just click on join server, verify if you have to verify. Okay, so now once you are in the server, you're going to see this channel that is called access server. What this is I have set up restore cord because Discord keeps deleting our stuff, so we're gonna have everybody use restore cord to gain access to the server. So what we do is just click on the link right here, and then that will bring us to this link right here to verify with TobyskillTTV. Click on verify. There's no IP grabbing or anything. You can't get any logged information from this. Everything is server sided. But we're going to click on authorize, and then once it says you have been successfully verified with TobyskillTTV, go back to the server and you should have all the stuff. If you do not see any of this, make sure that you have verified with the correct account, because if you don't verify the correct account, then it'll give the verified role to somebody else, or will give your other account to the verified role, or try to, and it won't work. But what we're going to do from here is go to main and then bot invite, and then you're going to see this bot invite, and we could just click on that and add it to server. So I'm going to make a server and add it to it because I didn't make one. Okay, and I have made a server, and you're going to have to make sure that you have administrator in the server. Administrator can be given by other administrators, or it could be given by the owner of the server. You could ask for it or not ask for it. Also, another thing that you can do is copy and paste this bot invite link and give it to an admin and say that the bot is actually a security bot or something. And when you add it to the server, you say the nuke command and the nuke goes off. But what we're going to do is go to the bot invite, select the server that you want to nuke, make sure you have administrator. If administrator isn't checked off like this, then you don't have permissions to add the bot with administrator and it won't work. But authorize and verify. And then once you're in the server, you're going to see that the TobyskillTTV bot is in here. And what we're going to do is say x142111.5, and setting this in the server will initiate the nuke. As you can see, there's over 1,000 pings, and it destroys the server pretty fast. This is a free nuke bot, which basically means that it won't be the fastest, but I do have the best hosting that I can find, and I've tried my best with my other developers to make it as fast as possible. But if you guys enjoyed this, then make sure to subscribe, and if there is a premium video out, then I will print it in the comment section for a updated premium video, which is basically just this bot but faster, and you can customize everything. So if you guys enjoy this, make sure that you leave a like and leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial, maybe when the next server gets terminated. Who knows? Let's see. So peace.